talk about the politics over the battle on the order of the songs in Tamil Nadu. The debate over Vande Mataram is also set to reach the parliament. Government sources say that the prevention of the insults of the National Honour Amendment Bill 2026 will be taken up in the upper house, where this legislation that seeks to extend legal protection to Vande Mataram as the national song with 3 hours allotted for discussion. Now, this bill, which is expected to trigger another round of political debate over national symbols, their significance and the legal framework surrounding their protection. Well, Nyamika, this matter is also expected to be taken up. In fact, it was expected to be taken up in the first week of the parliament itself that we are now looking at of the monsoon session. But this is also important to know as far as Vande Mataram and the legal guarantees that would be now attached to it.
Well, yes, but this is basically a point of contention because the opposition is not ready to hold a discussion regarding this matter, because we have seen that how the opposition has basically reacted over the same questioning the intention of the government for bringing these amendments in the bill. They are basically stating that this is to target one particular community as this is against the minorities, and that is the only reason why they are basically stating that what is the need of bringing these amendments in the bill, as many of the opposition leaders have also given an example that it was the Constituent Assembly who had done a discussion for almost 3 years, listening to all the dissents which were being expressed, all the opinions which were being taken, and that is the only reason why it was being decided that Vande Mataram is not going to be given the legal protection, but why it is now being made necessary on the part of the government of India, because of which they are bringing this bill in Rajya Sabha. However, the government sources have told that today it might be possible that this bill is going to be introduced in Rajya Sabha and 3 hours discussion time is going to be given. But it is going to be a big challenge for the government because of the continuous protest which was being done by the opposition side.
Yes.
Yesterday also we have seen that how the sloganeering was being done on the by the opposition MPs regarding the NEET paper leak exam, and that can be expected today as well.
So debate and discussion in both houses expected, but as far as this bill is concerned, which seeks to extend a statutory protection to Vande Mataram, the national song, by amending the Prevention of Insults to the National Honour Act 1971, the act that currently criminalizes insults to the national flag, the constitution, and also to the national anthem. But let's